Hello, let's take a look at this K989 from WLTOYS. It's a 128 scale, 2.4 GHz radio control car. Comes ready to run out of the box. You have a car here and the controller is about the commonly called mini Z size, 128. I have a custom mini Z body here. Yeah, it's about the same size. Yeah, but this comes in a Lexan body, so you can actually bash it and it won't be broken as easy as the mini Z one, which is hard body. Okay, let's see how this budget 128 scale is comparable to the mini Z's. Okay, this is what you get in the package: extra gears, the charger, and an extra LiPo. The battery is 400 milliampere. It's a 2-cell LiPo. Okay, so first you have to take out the body, connect the battery using the balance connector. This cable connector is not GST connector is not used here. Okay, and the switch is here. Okay, in case it doesn't bind, you can use the bind button here. Okay, but it comes already bind, so look, yeah, for under 70 USD, this is what you get. Okay, decent servo. Oh, not very good resolution for low speed, you can tell, but it's pretty fast. Okay, you have the steering trim here, digital, and the throttle trim. Okay, very simple, nothing else. Power button here, and you use 4 times AA batteries for the controller. Okay, let's talk about the build quality. I mean, everything is decent, very sturdy, solid, but it seems there's a very rough drivetrain as compared to the Mini Z, but is very updated suspension. Okay, let's have a Mini Z and compare it. This is the first generation all-wheel drive from the Kyosho. We call it Mini Z, see, but this costs at least 2 times or more than this. And of course there's the latest one. This is fully hop up and modified by me, so this costs like maybe 5 to 10 times of this. Yeah, I'm not joking. Yes, fully modified. Okay, now let's not talk about that. This is a budget one, and this very simple one from Kyosho, but yeah, it's smoother, quieter, but the design is very old, very dated. You look at the suspension compared to this double wishbone, front and rear, individual shocks, friction shocks. You can put some grease inside to actually have some better damping. Okay, so design wise, yeah, this is updated and much better than Mini Z. I mean the first generation, but then it's a bit rough. Look, the differential doesn't actually work very smoothly. Okay, but maybe in the next video I'll tear down and see what I can do to improve it. I believe it can be improved. Let's look at the wheels whether we can take it out and put on some drifting wheels. Okay. Bearings, good. Okay, this is a wheel for Mini Z. Yeah, it fits. Just put on one to test. Yeah, it's very nice. Oh, it looks much better. Okay, later I'll show you some footage of the car running in stock form before I do another video to tear down and try to improve the drivetrain. Okay. Okay, I just keep it short here. See you in the next video.